Hi everyone!
Happy birthday to you. Hey, 1, 2, 3, go. YC!
Hi everyone! So we're going to Abriza because we'll be celebrating recognition. Yeah. So just got done fixing my nails. So see you later. This is our outfit. So bye-bye.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can...
Hi, YC. So, I know you guys are watching this video, so I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, to thank each of every one of you for being there for me through ups, downs, sharing laughters together, sharing tears, problems, and all. I would like to thank everyone for being genuine, for being caring, and for being there for me. I want you guys to remember the special memories that we've been through. So I hope this relationship or this friendship of us will last longer, for I know that you guys are very, very genuine. I love you all. Enjoy this video.
And we will sleep by the ocean, our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.
Hi guys! So, nana kami. So, we are off to saan tayo worth it? Buffet.
Wait na para kung taxi?
Yeah, so malaki na taxi. Bye! See you later!
Hey, 1, 2, 3, go. YC!
Bye-bye